Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe the channel. In this video, we will learn how to solve the problem that we face during the Apache server or httpd server in CentOS. And in this video, we will also learn how we can see what is the actually problem that is causing the failure of the server. So let me show you. First, I will write systemctl to restart systemctl restart httpd. In this command I am trying to restart the httpd server. Here you can see the main problem they are showing is this. So now I will check why this problem is showing, and for that I will simply write apache ctl and config test. You can see this is due to the configuration file. I mistakenly wrote this symbol in my configuration file. Make sure your configuration file should not have any extra word. Now I will check this error and go that httpd and conf.d site. Enter. As you can see line 5. I am mistakenly using this, so I will start mode with I. Will again write systemctl restart. You can see it is restarted. It means that our systemctl is working now fine. Thank you for watching. If you want to know more about CentOS, kindly subscribe the channel. Thank you and take care.